Hello, this is Thad from Thad's Honeydew List, and it's Foodir Friday is in foods, and the host is Jessica Myros, Tiffany Small Town 6, and please check out this playlist. Hey, me and the wife are going to have some mushroom Swiss burgers for supper. Just grilled them out on the charcoal grill, but what I'm going to do is we're going to cut these up and put them on wraps. But I didn't get the Swiss cheese. Decided to keep that. We're going to do it this way. Oh, I sauteed some onions and some mushrooms, which I can show you. Oh, I can't show you. Hang on, I can show you. Need my pot owner. Okay, there they are. We don't have buns, we're gonna use wraps. Yeah, I saved a wife, a couple, and maybe me.
I'm gonna make some Big Mac salad.
Yeah, she's gonna make Big Mac salad. But me and her's gonna have enough for. I had to use charcoal because it's so windy. But that's okay, it got the smoke taste to it. I'll show you me putting these together. Kind of make them like a hamburger, but they're going to be on a wrap. Oh, is that hot? You can see the steam coming off. Okay. Got my wrap. Don't have a lot of space. Got the dog in the way here, trip me. Let me do this. Oh, I gotta get a. Hang on. Let me do this. Instead. Okay. Oh, I need to do one more thing. Still putting this together, folks. Little cheese, not a lot. There's some real tomato. Just gonna. I should have spread it on here a little better. We're not gonna put it on too thick, just to, give it some flavor. Yeah, it's cold and windy out here. We got a wind chill to 10, I believe. Let me grab a couple. Sauteed onions and mushrooms. We don't have a tomato put on here. I thought we did. And then what I'm going to do is take some ground beef, minus one tomato. I may put, let's see, let's put a little more of this one stuff on. Yeah, I didn't put Swiss on it, it's just a wrap with ground beef, sauteed onions, sauteed mushrooms, and a little cheese. Yeah, I did, honey, but I didn't put mozz on. I can for you. And I put a couple small pickles and what do you call it besides that? Oh, some mayo. Hey, this is Thad with Thad's Honeydew List. For supper tonight, we're taking a tortilla. It's a Mission carb balance flour, and carbs are 19 grams for one. And we cooked some hamburgers. I sauteed some onions and mushrooms. Cut up a couple of hamburger patties. Got some cheese. There's the ones I cut up. Also sauteed, there's the things we sauteed. Melissa's taking a break from Buckeye Girls. What is it? Lifestyles? Decor. It's Buckeye Girls Lifestyles Decor.
Yeah, you messed that up.
I'm sorry. But I'm cooking for her tonight. So if you want to put some mayo on there, you can. Also got the pickles out. Tomato ketchup. And I just put a little bit on there. And we're gonna get some sauteed onions and mushrooms. Oh, cheddar cheese. Just a little bit. We bought a 12-pack of these mushrooms, usually from Costco. Let me get a couple pickles. And Melissa said it's good. She had some earlier in Buckeye Girl. And I'm gonna take a little bit of ground beef from that cut up burger. Put in there. What am I missing? I put the pickles on. Put some ketchup. We don't have our tomato, folks. Yeah, otherwise I would have cut up a tomato, put on shredded cheese. Cheese is optional if you like it or what kind you want.
Pickle your choice.
Yeah, pickle your choice. Mushrooms. Usually we eat when we go out is a Swiss mushroom burger, but I don't have the Swiss cheese right now, and it is really good. If you play, you can use provolone like she said too. Okay, here's what I normally do. You can put more toppings on if you want to. Just gonna kind of grab it and wrap it like that. But I overstuffed it, so I'll probably eat it like this, you know. And it's pretty good.